Hey guys, back with another video. Today, this and I've been posted for a long time playing this. So let's play. Oh, I locked those. Oh, they have a new level. Sky. Okay guys, I got lots of speed. I'm gonna do this, guys. Ooh, happy. I'll do this. Let's go. I'll do this one, guys. So yeah, but let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, I'm just cheating, guys. I'm just cheating. I'm not just on this on the first try. How do I have 75 candy? I haven't even been playing and I have 75 candy. Yeah, so yeah.
What if he doesn't reply?
No, I hate this. I'm gonna just spin, free spin, and hope I get a legendary. I got a godly pet. Let's go! My first time. I got the dominant. Let's go. And guys, if you want a free pet, I'm here if you play. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you want to be better. I really haven't. I'm not lying, so I'll show you. See, look at all this. I have these 200 this. I'll give you all that for free. If you subscribe and like and comment your username so I know. I'm playing my sister too.
We can't keep letting this guy make fools of us. Everyone I places 1%, so that means I have to handle this.
Is it dub, Dad?
Also,
It sounds dub.
we have reason to believe the kid's in danger. Oh.
And be on the way. Come on. Jump. Okay. I can do this on my first try. Right for people. Gosh. If you play Fortnite, tell me your username in the chat so I can find you can play. I'm really good. So yeah. Come on.
So it's like that. Do I need to convince you to obey orders?
Let's go. Let's spin. Let's go epic pet or like something. Oh no, I got 19. Okay, doesn't matter. Let's go in there. So let's just speed. Look at 400 speed.
Don't you worry, young man. It'll be over soon.
I got this one. This obby. This. And I have another obby that I just got unlocked. Whee! It's me, Mario. Wee wee.
Bro? Don't worry, son. I'm coming to get you. Are you okay? Did it hurt you? Bro?
Let's go. This is easy. I just got my first job. Let's go. I got a godly purchase on the summer one. I got a air gin. Oh my god, I'm so lucky, guys. How much is that? The air gin. I'll tell you if it's worth it. I got the cones so I can upgrade them. Where's that? There it goes. It's two. Oh, just. It's just lucky. Just like if you win, you get 240 speed.
That's not true.
I'm the godly pet.
You're lying. He doesn't get anything about your family. You're it's not true.
No, but if you go out, I'll tell you, you have to go in this one, the summer one,
Yeah.
and then you just play. And I'll tell you which is easy. This one here. Wait, you go to the summer one, not that one.
They're all summer.
Yeah, but go here. Do you see me?
Which color?
Do you see me? Here, I'm here, here. Behind you, behind you.
Hey, Kira.
Here, behind you. Here. Follow me.
Somebody left this work.
Here. This one, it's really easy.
I tried it. It's hard.
No, it's not. You have to go slow.
I have too much
Like this.
Join me in welcoming
Don't tell me I'm
the
getting
woman
second
who has
try.
brought us all here tonight,
Come here when you
Juliet Glicker.
Why'd you go in the wall? Yes, it's easy again, see? Don't tell me again. I'm probably gonna get abused, but let's see. I got a legendary pet! Off my second try!
Can I?
I got a tanning. Let's go! How much speed? How much speed, guys? How much speed if you win this on the summer? Oh, 36. Nah. That's bad. You want it? Tanning pineapple?
No.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do this again.
That was pretty good.
It's so easy.
Hey, I've never seen so much passion soon. It's crazy. It's crazy.
Let's go. I'm probably gonna get, I don't know, it's like guaranteed you get like a legendary or Goldie. The Goldie pet is better. So yeah. By the way, my avatar looks like this. It's scary, yeah. Yes it is. People think it's scary. Oh yes, let's go! Third time! I'm not gonna get it. I'm not gonna get it. I know I'm not gonna get it. I got legendary pet. It's like, it's guaranteed. I got a, yeah, if you finish it, then you get guaranteed legendary pet. You don't get the other ones. How much is it? How much is this clam? Yeah, but legendary pet. 40, yeah. Maybe.
Hey, sir? Sir, hey. Hey.
I can beat this on my own.
Beat this one.
What you say?
Use that one.
Huh?
Go here.
I didn't know you can use that side because what happened? What's wrong with your jump?
No, you're supposed to use that.
The jump is bad. No, I just go like up. I don't use that thing. Your jump is really bad.
Stop. You're supposed to use that. Go here.
Sorry. Have you baked this bit?
Yeah, it's hard.
It's not hard for me.
Oh, so it's hard.
No, because it's harder. No. You have so much speed. That's why. I mean, a little bit less speed. That's why.
I'm saving up.
You're saving up for God. Nothing. Are you with your pop? Okay, let's get this. Come on.
You're so bad.
No, because you went so slow. I'll do this again. Look, I'm gonna do this all again. I have 49 speed. If you're faster, you go higher. You knew push me.
I'm done. Put it back.
Ah!
If you're faster, Jess, you get more speed. Like, I'm really fast. Look, another one again. I'm not gonna get the same now. Nah, not even a chance. I got a goalie pet.
Can I have it?
I got this one, the 240.
Can I have it?
No, that won't help.
Yeah,
Mr. Mishra said if he doesn't get a response, he'll
I
go to
have
the sports office.
250. I'm doing this again.
Baby.
Wait, after this. Let me just get another one. You don't get the speed one, you just get like the egg. Tell me when you want.
Yes, sir? We lost track of him. Listen,
Let's go again.
he's not gonna give up.
I'm not gonna get this time. Nah.
You sure?
Yep, see, I told you. Okay, I take you.
I'm gonna do another.
Yes, of
I'm
course.
gonna do the other one. You have to give me something now.
Huh?
Mount 240.
Okay.
What's your pets? Give me the Courage of the West.
No.
They're the same.
No, they're not.
Wait, I'll check my pets.
Better.
Wait. My pet's 240. That's 200, so mine's better. See, look.
No, because mine is a it's a golden.
Oh, sorry. How much is what are you gonna give me though? That's too small.
This one.
That's too small. Wait, how much is it? Go down.
I'll give you a pick.
Yes, hello?
Oh wait, I want the
Vampire. Okay, no.
vampire. Do you think who's richer? No, I'm richer.
Size.
Is it the block
Me.
I have more money than
I'm so cracked. Look at this. I have 2 of them.
you. I have 2. Oh my god, so.
Give me officer. Give me officer, please.
No.
Why? Give me officer. Seven.
I worked hard on the officer. Serious. I really worked hard. What?
So yeah, we're just running.
Oh no.
So see you guys for another video for pets. Bye. Peace out. Blah.